Can a smartphone under 10,000 rupees deliver everything that you need? I have the Oppo K12X with me right here, and I have been using this device for about a month right now, and I have a lot to share about this device. Now with features like 120Hz display and a powerful Dimensity 6300 processor and a stunning design, could this be the best smartphone under 10,000 rupees right now? So without any further delay, let's find out. Let's start with the build and design of this smartphone. Well, the Oppo K12X sports a sleek and a sturdy plastic back with a shiny finish, which not only looks premium, but it also feels very great in hand, and the camera module is seamlessly integrated into the body. When you lay the phone flat on its back, it stays stable without wobbling. Now, as for the official Oppo website, the K12X features a 360-degree damage-proof armor body, and from my experience, this claim holds to be true. Now, let's talk about the display of this device. The Oppo K12X comes with a hole punch display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate, and believe me, it is not just a number. The display is quite bright, making it perfectly usable under direct sunlight. Now, with the support of up to 4K video playback on YouTube and HDR playback on Netflix, you will definitely have a good experience watching content on this device. And the colors are vivid, the clarity is spot on, and the display size is somewhere about 16.94 centimeters, which is like a good big display. And for a phone in this price, offering HDR playback is something I feel is a very good advantage over all the other smartphones that are available in this price. Now, performance wise, the Oppo K12X is powered with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. This phone also comes with 6GB of RAM, which is expandable up to 12GB, and 128GB of storage, out of which 25GB is used by the system. Well, in my experience, it gives a very smooth experience, and the ColorOS 14 is also very smooth. While I was testing this phone for daily activities like browsing, social media, streaming, and even some light gaming, the device handled itself pretty well. However, if you are a very heavy gamer, this might not be the best choice. The Oppo K12X is decent, but it is not exceptional. I played some intensive games like BGMI, and there were some noticeable frame drops and lags. This phone is not designed for hardcore gamers. Now let's talk about the cameras on the Oppo K12X, and diving deep into the camera performance, the K12X is equipped with a 32 megapixel main camera sensor that takes decent photos in good lighting conditions. It does struggle under direct sunlight, where the camera sometimes struggles to distinguish between the foreground and the background. However, in controlled lighting conditions, the photos are crisp and the colors definitely pop. While testing the portrait mode, I feel it's decent, although it occasionally fails to recognize the faces, especially if there's more than one person in the frame. But again, for a phone around 10,000 rupees, the camera performance is something which is more than satisfactory. Now coming to the battery life on the Oppo K12X, it packs a 5100 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts around a full day on a moderate usage. But when I put it to test, playing games, streaming videos, taking calls, it dropped from 100% to 12% by the end of the day. And charging is also relatively fast. I charged from 0 to 65% in about 45 minutes, and the phone also comes with a splash feature. That means you can use the phone even when the display is wet. Talking about the additional features before we wrap up, let's talk about the capacitive fingerprint scanner on the Oppo K12X. Well, it does work incredibly fast. I just have to touch it and it unlocks immediately. The ultra volume mode is another cool feature that boosts the sound to almost 300%, which is a game changer in noisy environments. Finally, talking about the verdict, the Oppo K12X, in my opinion, is a very good choice for those who are on a budget and also are looking for a good design, a bright display, smooth experience, and a decent performance for daily tasks, a satisfactory camera for its price, and a battery that will last an entire day. Sure, it's not perfect for heavy gaming or professional photography, but I feel at this price point, it does not need to. So finally, if you are looking for a budget smartphone under 10,000 rupees that offers a great value for money, the Oppo K12X is definitely worth considering. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such in-depth reviews, and let me know in the comments what features do you find the most appealing in the Oppo K12X. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. It's me there signing off. You're watching Element Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.